In this video, you will learn how to use two Steam accounts on the same computer. Log out of the current Steam account, open Steam and click on Steam, then log out, then confirm. This will bring you back to the Steam login screen. Log in with your second account, enter the login information of your second Steam account. Steam will treat each login as separate, even on the same device. Use Remember Me carefully. If both accounts use Remember Me, Steam will remember the last one you used. You will need to switch manually each time. Switch accounts each time. To switch accounts repeatedly, make sure to log out, then log back in. Steam does not restrict multiple accounts on the same computer. Create a separate desktop shortcut. If you often switch between, create desktop shortcut like Steam main and Steam alt account to make things a lot easier to log in. Avoid playing online at the same time. Steam does not allow the same game library to be used simultaneously across two accounts, unless the family sharing is set up. Now you know how to use two Steam accounts on the same computer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.